Today I'm being a bit lazy and using satin ice modeling chocolate instead of making my own. To color, I added a bit of black gel color to the chocolate, and then you just keep kneading it until you get a uniform color. Sometimes the kneading will cause the chocolate to get too warm, so you may have to let it sit for a little bit to cool down so you can use it. To make the body of the baby elephant, I'm rolling the chocolate in my hands to get a smooth surface. The shape I'm going for is like a fat egg shape. To make sure the elephant is proportional to the size of the cake it's going to sit on, I use a dummy cake with a piece of wax paper on top to keep the elephant clean. I can set it up there to make sure I'm not making it too large or too small for the cake size. I absolutely love working with modeling chocolate. It has so many wonderful benefits over fondant. You can blend seams effortlessly. It doesn't dry out and crack on you. You don't have to wait for sections to dry before moving on to the next step. It tastes great. It's just really fun to work with. When shaping the legs, make sure you get them the same length and width. And to get the legs to stick to the body, you just have to rub them on. The warmth of the modeling chocolate will cause them to stick. But if for some reason yours isn't sticking, all you have to do is get a little tiny drop of water on the leg to make the surface tacky, and then they'll stick together that way. For the head, I'm rolling the chocolate into a round ball and holding it up to the body to check the size and shape. I attach the head to the body by using an extra long toothpick. If the toothpick is too long, you'll need to trim it before inserting. The toothpick needs to go all the way down the body, but stopping before it pokes out the bottom. And make sure you have enough left to hold the head on, and then all you do is just slide the head on. For the trunk, roll out a round snake-like shape and curl one end. Attach the other end to the face and blend until the seam goes away. To give the trunk some character, I add some creases using a modeling tool, but you can also use a toothpick to get the same look. For the eyes, I'm using edible black pearls. It's easy peasy, just push them in and they look super cute. For the ears, you'll want to pat out an oval shape thinly and attach it to the head so that it curves with the head. This creates a more lifelike looking ear, and repeat for the other side. I attach a few thin little hairs to the head to make him look cute. Using a fondant tool, I make indentations for his toes on all 4 feet. Here I've rolled out a very thin, tiny black strip that I cut in 2 and use for the eyebrows. I add very thin white modeling chocolate over the toe indentations for his feet. Mustn't forget the tail. Elephants have relatively short tails. I use an X-Acto knife to cut the hairs on one end and I attach the other to the body. Here he is all finished. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that subscribe and like button to help it spread to more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye.